What's up, Ape Nation? I just finished watching Bloomberg and I heard something insane. Bloomberg's analyst speaks on the short squeeze. It's very subtle but incredibly impactful. You guys do have to see this, but before we get into it, please smash that thumbs up button and hit subscribe so we can spread this video like wildfire. Ape Nation needs to watch this. The more people that like this video, the more YouTube will share it. Alrighty, without further ado.
So once this short covering position squeeze sort of runs its course, there's room for yields to mean revert higher. But I think there needs to be a catalyst as well. And to the extent that the minutes yesterday conveyed a sense that the Fed understood that the change in its dots could be construed as hawkish, it tried to push back on that. But until we get a better sense at the next meeting, I think market participants will still be fearful that their reaction function is a little bit more hawkish than we previously expected. Secondly, I think we need to see further improvement in the labor markets as well. And last week's employment report showed a robust amount of payroll growth, but the unemployment rate ticked higher. And we really need to see the unemployment rate start to tick lower to get the ball rolling to move towards tapering. So positions being clean is a start, and we can start to mean revert higher, but we need a catalyst that's fundamental in nature to get us to move to higher yields from that point on.
The 195 call by year end, I'm curious what a fair value 10-year yield looks like to you, taking into account $80 billion monthly purchases and huge overseas demand with the Swiss and a German 10-year still at negative 30 basis points. What is fair value to you?
Yeah, so right now, like I said, fair value is closer to 155. And if we walk that forward through the course of the year, we get something closer to 195 by year end 2022. And Taylor, to your point, I think demand has been a big part of the driver here. In the first quarter, particularly towards the end of the first quarter, it was the U.S. pension fund community. And it appears that's still been pretty strong in the last few.
Guys, did you hear that? Let me break this clip down. The analyst starts with, once this short covering position squeeze runs its course. In this clip, the Bloomberg analyst both acknowledges that a squeeze is in fact incoming and that it will have a massive impact on the economy. That's it for today's video. Make sure to go down to the bottom of the page, tap that thumbs up button for me, and subscribe to the channel so we can spread this clip like wildfire. I'm Clay for Finance News. See you guys next time.